Okay, long story short, hashtags, first of all, seem to be working again, at least the recent ones. However, it seems there might be a slim chance for hashtags to actually become less relevant. Whew, less relevant. However, what's going on? However, it seems like they might become less relevant. Yeah. So let's talk about this. I found some articles that actually talk about this that are actually a few weeks old. Guess what? Somebody slept again, like always. But then again, I was sick. So yeah, let's take a look at this and let's talk about it. Hey, yo, what's up, Dominators? Welcome back. My name is Dominic. Yeah, I know it's creative. I tend to get messages about this. Some people don't like it, but you can't change it. So let's talk about those press releases. What's going on today? Press releases. All right, I can already see the first comments down below. So Instagram expands new guides feature to users upgrade search. TechCrunch. Obviously, we talked about that, or have we not? I believe I forgot to record that video. It's on my list. We're gonna talk about this pretty soon, about this whole guides thing. Yes, I totally forgot that. But anyway, down on this thing, which we're not gonna talk about, they also talked about some new update for Instagram to Instagram search. Before, users could search for names, usernames, hashtags, and locations. With the changes rolling out today, users will also now be able to use keywords that will surface content relevant to their interest. Very interesting. We're going to talk about it. Along with guides, the larger goal is to keep Instagram users from leaving the app. Obviously, Instagram says the search update is available in English to all users in Canada, the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland starting today. Today not being today, today being November 17, just so you know. The expansion to guides is rolling out now to all users. There you go. So guide, we've had guides, and this whole thing, first of all, makes a lot of sense because yeah, we always talked about it. They do have an issue with searchability in the case of them actually not having any feature about searchability, which they now try to change, and it makes sense. You know, it does make sense, especially with the guides where it actually kind of is like a mini blog and where you have more things in there. Searchable content and stuff like this is a huge thing around social media anywhere, because for example on YouTube, which and if you kind of can read between the lines on my videos and on my personal stance, if you really want to make it serious, especially in the coming year 2021 onwards, I strongly suggest you to also at least start taking a look into YouTube and this whole thing. Because for example on YouTube, on my channel right here, on this channel, I think about 30% or even a little bit more of all traffic that I get comes from search, from people just searching stuff on YouTube. And with more and more people actually using the search function on Instagram, for example, I noticed myself actually searching a lot on Instagram. For example, interior design ideas and stuff like this. I put this in, yeah, and it's always obviously very hard for me to find relevant content. I only find the, you know, like they say, stuff that they have in the usernames, some hashtags. There you go. Now there's another article from the light is in front of it. Where is it? From The Verge. From The Verge. Keyword search is coming to Instagram. No hashtag required, which makes me think if this is really becoming a thing, maybe the hashtags become less relevant. It could also mean though that hashtags become more relevant to actually help prime the keyword search. So we're gonna have to see. Right now with hashtags working again, I would strongly urge you to go, you know, back and start using hashtags. Know how to use hashtags. We made some videos about this. Who's we? It's me, just a one-man show here. But I made videos about that. Also, if you're really serious about this, take a look at Hashtastic. I use Hashtastic. A lot of my clients use Hashtastic, which now seems to be working again a lot better because, you know, the hashtag feature works again. So if you're really serious about this, and if you can spare, I don't even know, 10 bucks or something for that, there you go. I mean, come on. You can definitely maximize your chances and actually ranking, not only ranking on hashtags, but when the search feature comes out. And with you always using the hashtags the correct way, probably is going to help with ranking on those searchable, on the searchable feature as well. But this is just speculation, but you better be safe than sorry. That's what I say. That's actually not what I say usually, but in this case, yes. To be honest, usually I always say better be sorry than safe. Yeah, we're going to talk about this in another video about some private things. And about some other things, but in this case it's better to be safe than sorry. This is how it's gonna look, baking receipts, and then you can see, all right, this is some searchable thing. Instagram users' ability to search is getting an upgrade. Today, the company announced that English speaking, yeah, we talked about this. Now they say Instagram will let people search the keyword themselves, meaning the posts that feature healthy receipts, for example, should surface even if the specific tag is missing. It's unclear how the service determines what a post is about, though. My search for healthy receipts yielded gluten-free and paleo cookie receipts, for example, which likely isn't what somebody is trying to find when they search for healthy receipts. A company spokesperson says the team considers a number of factors, so obviously, this is like one of those statements that anybody could make, including the type of content, captions, when it was posted, and more to surface relevant results. It also uses machine learning to find the highest quality content that's relevant for you. For now, only grid posts will show up. Question is, what is grid post? What they mean? Probably also videos that are inside the grid, but not IGTV videos, not guides, which, yeah, makes no sense because I think they launched it because of this guides thing, but there you go. This is a relatively big change for surfacing content. Instagram has always been frustratingly limited. There you go. And the spokesperson says the search is limited to general interest topics and keywords that are within Instagram's community guidelines. My keyword search is already live. Oh, the person who wrote this article. And I'm unable to search for vaccines, QAnon, or even Trump or Biden. I can search puppies, pasta, or flowers, however. The search is definitely limited still for the seemingly few benign things people can search for. Still for the seemingly few benign things that people can't search for, the keywords are useful and will likely help users find new content that better fits what they want. So we're not going to talk about this right now. I have a video planned based around this whole topic about them just trying to play thought police more and more. Come on, like, why can't? But there's something interesting that we can read between the lines based on what this company's spokesperson said. They're looking at a number of factors, including type of content, which is very interesting. We have actually, I have a free training down below where we talk about, posting quality content, what we have figured out, the algorithm, the Instagram algorithm considers quality content. So probably if you continue to create your content based on what I talk about inside my free training, or if you're one of the people inside my paid program, it's actually tuned to all of these things. High quality content, algorithm friendly content, and stuff like that. So yeah, down below is this free training, but we're not going to talk more about that. Now, this whole new thing is definitely something that we have to keep an eye out for. Very interesting in my opinion. Could mean a little bit of a difference with actually organic growth. People who've never heard of you actually stumble upon your content a lot easier than it was actually before. So all in all, generally, actually a really good thing. In my opinion, we are going to see about the hashtags, whether they become less relevant or not. Probably it's going to become both of these things, like on YouTube, for example. There's all different ways that you can grow, for example. One being the search feature, the organic search feature. Another thing being, well, they have hashtags as well, but another thing being suggested videos and stuff like this. And I think on Instagram is going to be the same. So hashtags probably going to stay an own entity where people are going to search for things just because they're used to it and it's just easier, especially with related hashtags and stuff like this. And with the search feature being an under thing, which potentially makes the whole organic factor just a little bit better and stronger and maybe more traffic. So we're going to see about that. My name is Dominic. Don't forget to comment something down below. I don't know what. Just comment down below the weirdest DM that you ever got. Yeah. Bye. I'll see you soon, my friends. Bye.